What's up guys, in this video we are going to see how to take payments from your SMMA in 2019 using SimpleInvoices and Stripe or PayPal. This is a choice of your clients, but we're going to do it step by step from scratch, so let's get right into it. So as you can see, I'm right now in SimpleInvoices, so you just have to go to simpleinvoices.io and so it will look something like this, and you can even have a free trial for SimpleInvoices. So you see you're on the website simpleinvoices.io and you just click on a free trial, and you'll see it's very easy to use SimpleInvoices. It's like the best tool that I'm using right now. So you put your name, basically. You put your email address, so I'm putting a fake address right now. I'm just going to do everything from scratch, and your password. Try it free. So right now you have your SimpleInvoices account. So the first thing to do is to use your currency. So I'm in France, so I'm going to use Euro, but if you're in United States, you can just use USD, and that's it. It's really simple. If you're living in London, you can use pound, etc. So default language, I'm putting French, you can put English. If you have a logo for your business, you can put it. And this for the moment depends on your taxes, but I'm not going to put it right now. So I don't have a logo yet. Save and continue. All right, so as you can see, we have online payments using Stripe. So if you want your clients to be able to put a credit card when they will pay you, you just have to put get paid with Stripe. Okay, and if you want to give them the option to pay with PayPal, you can put get pay with PayPal. Okay, so if you put get paid with Stripe, you will you will see. So you put get paid with Stripe, so your client will be able to put their credit card, and now there will be an integration with Stripe. Okay, so if you don't have a Stripe account, Stripe basically it's where you can get payments with like with credit cards from your clients. So you need to create a Stripe account. Okay, we're not going to do it right now, but it's very easy to do. All you have to do is to go to stripe.com. You see I have an account for myself also. And for PayPal, all you need to do is to put get paid with PayPal and to just put your login. Okay, so here is the interesting part, is subscription. Okay, so as you can see, for subscription, it's saying start accepting online payments today. We are not going to do it right away. But the first thing that I want you to check is the clients section. Okay, so let's say that you have a client, you have an agreement with your clients, you are going in SimpleInvoices in your onboarding meeting, and you're just going to say, okay, let's create for you an account. So name of your client, okay, it can be a business name, email where to join the client, the address, the currency, the language. And also, this is optional for the moment, but you can also put the credit card right now. If they want to put it right away with you during the onboarding meeting, it's possible to do it right away. But you can also send them an invoice, so they will be able to put on their credit card. And after it will be automatic. Every month, it will take from their credit card directly to our bank account. Okay, so once we are going to put as an example restaurant 1. Okay, restaurant email, Gmail, prefer Gmail. Okay, the address, the currency. So we create clients, very easy. So we have our first clients. And now what we are going to do is always do subscriptions, because we want the process to be automatic. Okay, we don't want it to. I don't want you to send invoice every month because it's so hard, it's so painful. All you have to do is with SimpleInvoices to create a subscription, and your clients will pay every month automatically. And why it's so important, guys, it's because even if you are doing an amazing job, even if you are getting results for your clients, if you're sending invoices every month and it's not automatic, every month your client will have to consider whether or not whether or not to work with you. But when it's automatic, it's like your Netflix account, it's just like you don't even think about it. So that's why I do automatic payments with SimpleInvoices. It's so effective. So now I create the first subscription. I select my client, restaurant 1. Okay, so I have everything right now. So as you can see, so I need for having the option pay automatically, I need to put a credit card payments, and to do it, I need to start accepting online payments. Okay, so you need to make sure that both those are checked. So send automatically in order to send invoices automatically. It's very professional, and also pay automatically. So the client will pay you without even thinking about it. It will just be automatic. Here you can put your item. So you can put social media, for example, marketing, management, Facebook plus Instagram. Just your service, and just put your price here every month. So 1,000 euro per month, 997. Okay, you can even add another item if you have more. You can add, I don't know, let's say some content creation. Okay, just an upsell for 97 per month. Okay, so now you're going to option. Okay, 1 client, 2 items, 3 options. You can put a note. I don't put it. No discount. This is related to your business. Okay, so we're just going to go to schedule directly. And as you can see, so for myself, I have the TVA just here. So I need to put 20%, but depends on you, And that's it. You just put a schedule, okay? So we are going to take this payment on the 30th of May, and it will be every month. So on the 30th of June, automatically it will send an invoice to my client, and I will get paid automatically. No end date, and monthly. But if you want, you can do even quarterly, bi-weekly, weekly. So you are really free on this. And after, all you have to do is to activate, and on the 30th of May, it will send an invoice directly to your clients, so they can put on or their credit card or their PayPal account. But if you have them put their credit card directly with you on the onboarding meeting, you will be able to be paid directly without them having to check the page and to put on their credit card. But that's it, guys. That's how you do a subscription on SimpleInvoices. It's like so easy. I am just like blown away by this tool. If I put view invoice, okay, I don't know if I can see it right now. Let's see, subscription, view invoice. Okay, once you will activate your invoice, you will also be able to preview them, and it's very good if you want to check, before to send it to your clients. I recommend you to do it also. You see, it's just not active yet, but let's just activate it. Or I can maybe put invoice directly. No. Okay, let's activate this one. Looking like I can't see it. I can see it. Okay, where is it? So as you can see, it's now active. So on the 30th of May, it will send an invoice to my client, so he will be able to pay. But for the moment, you see, we are not 30th of May, so zero invoices has been created yet. And after, it will be just automatically every month. You will get paid, and it will send an invoice directly to your clients. If you have some work, some invoices, you can do it directly here and create your first invoice. This is also very simple. You just put your item and you send to your clients, or you can make him pay automatically. You know, if you want, if you have his credit card on file, you can make him pay automatically. So guys, that's how you use Simple Invoice. I hope that you liked it. I hope that it has been informative. If you have any questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram. I answer all DM. Make sure you follow me. And please make sure that you like this video and that you comment if you have another topic that you would like me to talk about. But that's it for today, guys. So see you in another video.